Lots of water. Hope it's not any flood damage. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see by the title of this video, we have a new build, the Tesla Model 3. We're gonna do a walk around and then do a lot of detailing because there's a lot of junk and dog hair and everything. So we're gonna clean that up. Before we do that, we're gonna show you all the damage of the car and show you what's wrong with it. So without further ado, let's show the car and get started.
Alright guys, looks like the majority of the damage was right here in the front. The bumper's missing, the two headlights are gone, and after we started looking at it a little closer, we do have some damage in here. Looks like this is busted loose, this is bent, so we have to get a whole nother bottom control arm and a few other pieces, and this rim. So I think how the damage happened, they maybe hit a curb, so this is busted in. So this rim is trash. It won't even hold air. So it hit here, it busted the back tire. And
do you think that's damage, or you think that's from the factory?
I think this is how it was built, because this is perfectly symmetrical. I don't think it was hit here. I think it was hit on the tire.
But I know this wind scoop's definitely busted, big crack in it, so we definitely need a new piece like that.
This is busted. This holds this piece. So we have to get a new little, whatever this is, probably a crash sensor.
But it looks like when they wrecked, they took some parts out, like the two headlights, because there's no way that could have just fell out. And it looks like they took these, I think it's a camera. You think that's cameras that go there?
Yeah, and they taped it up too. So after they took it, they taped that up. So we had to get some new cameras. I looked at the price. I was worried that was going to be extremely expensive. But they were like 90 bucks each, so that's not too bad. The frunk is gone. I don't know if it's just a frunk, then all the surrounding plastic.
Hope there's no like little pieces in there that's also they took.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know enough about it. So if any of you know, if you see something obvious that we're missing, let us know for sure.
And that, they also stole this side too.
This fender is perfect. I did notice a little dent right here on this one. Probably can't see it on camera.
Let's,
right here.
I think, maybe, I don't know.
And this has been out. But that's not a big deal. We can fix that. So we don't need any fenders, nothing back here other than a new tire. All right, so if we come this way, this fender's perfect. Everything back here is perfect. There's no undercarriage damage, but this tire, I tried airing it up and there's a huge hole somewhere. Yeah, right here. So apparently they hit a curb or something.
Take a look at the trunk.
Yeah, let's pop the trunk.
So it's, you have, on this touch screen, I think you have to do it. I think these door handles are really cool.
Yeah, this is all new to us. We don't know anything about Teslas.
So the inside's very modern, like, it's not like any other car, but so I think that's to open the charger, frunk, so the trunk's already opened. But like, hit that and it'll open it. Like, see, it opened it. I don't know if you can close it manually, I don't know. So
it's dirty back here.
very dirty, more dog hair.
Bag of trash.
Mask. Take a look. Oh, it stinks. Lots of water. Hope it's not any flood damage. So it looks like maybe somebody at Copart left the trunk open. I don't know. I don't know if that's styrofoam or what.
I think that's styrofoam. I'm pretty sure that was supposed to be like the tire tool and jack in here, but I guess they took all that too.
You want to take this out?
Yeah. We're gonna take all this out, clean it good. There's no other water anywhere else, so I'm thinking they definitely just left this trunk open. I guess somebody was checking it out, bidding against us, and they probably left it open.
Yeah. You want to take a look at the interior?
Yeah, let's look at that. Looks like two tigers was fighting in there.
So lots of Starbucks. They must have loved that. Nice touch. I really love the touch screen. It's very cool. It looks like everything that you have to do, you have to, like the glove box, think you have to hit that, open the glove box. I think that's kind of useless, but oh well. And then you have, that looks like that's registration. Take a look at that later. Oh, and it looks like they also stole, or not stole, but like took the, I think that's a wireless charger. They might have took that out. What's this? So that's a little storage. So we have to order another one like that. Look at the back. And this is where all the like lots of dog hair is. Anything in here? No. Lots of dog hair. But I like how it has glass all the way to the back. That's really, really cool. So how many miles do you think was on this car?
I think it was 40-something thousand. I don't remember.
And I think was it long range or standard?
Well, when I bid on it, it didn't say, and I just assumed it was standard, but I was looking through it this morning, and I think it's long range, which adds a few more $1,000s to it.
And there's also a full self-driving package. That's really cool.
Yeah, it has. This car's got the top of the line package, except for being a performance with a dual motor, all-wheel drive. So it's a great deal.
Yeah.
So you ready to get started cleaning it?
Yeah, lots of detailing to do, and then we can pull it in the garage and start taking anything apart, make a list.
Yep, let's get started. All right, we got the interior all cleaned up. Tyler did an amazing job on it.
Yeah, but there's still a lot of dog hair, so we'll probably be getting that out for a long time. There's just so much.
Yeah, it looks like German Shepherd because it looks just like Lexi's hair. So I don't know, it was either that or a Border Collie or something. So this, we got the carpet out. I sprayed like a fungicide mildew remover, but they didn't have any mildew, so I don't think the rainwater was in there very long. Maybe it happened when the transporter brought it. So it don't matter, it's gonna be back 100% anyway. We got the carpet out here in the sun, got a fan on it. We're gonna leave it out there for a while, let it clean up, then we're gonna shampoo it, just keep repeating and get that back 100%. So next we're gonna try to figure out how to drive this thing, get it in the shed, get the wheel off, see what other damage may be under there, and then that way we can start ordering parts. All right, we got all the cars moved out of the way, but the only issue, this tire is pretty bad. I don't care about the tire. I don't want to mess the rim up. And this rim is destroyed, but I don't want to mess that tire up, so we're going to try to take it slow and then maybe make one good wheel out of these two. So, you figured it out yet?
Yeah, so it came with this key card. All you do is put it here and then hit the brake and then it starts and you don't even hear anything. But I wonder if you could start it from the app. Like, I don't know if you have to have this, but you just start it.
I can't get the app yet until it transfers to my name.
See, in the car already started. You don't hear nothing.
So try to sweep out real easy. It's weird, you don't hear a sound.
I don't want to mess up the rim, tire.
Try to park a little further to the left. Perfect. That's good, straight in. A little more. That's good right there.
And just hit that for park.
Battery is low. We're gonna try to buy a battery charger today on Facebook Marketplace. They took that out of the car too. It should be a travel battery charger, but just like the jack and everything, they took it. I actually had to Google how to jack up a Tesla. Everything is different with this car. We are completely out of our element with this thing. Whoops. Let's see. Let's hope they don't have more damage. I just don't know where this attaches. Unless it was something on here. I don't see any major frame damage.
That's good.
Just this is bent real bad. It's probably the worst of it. I have to see how to change this out. But other than that, that's probably the worst of it. This bumper should be real easy. Headlights. Change this.
I hope the side cameras are cheap that they took off.
Yeah, I think they were less than $100 each.
I looked the wireless charger that's inside, that's $12 on Amazon.
Yeah, so hopefully,
Hope these are cheap.
because if this thing has worse damage than we thought, we'll never financially recover from that. All right, so now we can make a little equipment list, try to track down parts. A lot of it I see on eBay, so we should be able to get most of it on eBay, but maybe these big parts, like this lower control arm, maybe a junkyard has it, we can get it from them. All right guys, so I think we got all the damage figured out where it's at. I think it's pretty much just this suspension, so we did it on the Corvette, so it shouldn't be too much different. But Teslas are completely out of our league, so we're gonna be learning a lot during this build. We're gonna be needing your help. If you know where we can get parts, like the suspension, the bumper, we're gonna look on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, but if you know a certain place that has it, let us know. We'll get it all ordered. We're gonna be making our list today and tomorrow, trying to get this build started. Other than that, the car is really great. It was pretty much damage-free everywhere else. So they took really good care of it, other than the dog hair. So we're gonna get started on this right now, and stay tuned, and we will see you in the next video.